Yo, what's good, people? We are in the Tesla today. It's Friday. I figure I would go ahead and pull my baby out or whatnot, what have you. We are on the way to check out. This is pretty much one of the apartments that I've already toured, but we only did the 1 bedrooms. Today, we're gonna do the 2 bedrooms, all right? Extremely excited about this particular apartment because I think that it hit that sweet spot. Great location, not too expensive, decent neighborhood, and had all the amenities and everything else that most people are going to need. And again, that price, man, that price was huge. And I mean that in a good way. All right, I mean it in a good way. All right, so we're pulling up to it now. And yeah, our appointment is at 4:30, but we're getting here about 2 minutes early, thankfully. I don't like to be late. Technically, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I feel like if you're not 5 minutes early, you're late. But yeah. Go ahead and pull up in here, see what's up.
See what I mean? Second floor vinyl.
Yeah.
See? Not all first floors.
Yeah.
Not all second floors are vinyl.
Yeah.
So the 2 bedrooms are on the opposite side.
Okay.
And this is an elite unit.
You said this is not a big unit?
Yes, an elite.
Okay.
Elite, meaning that it's upgraded.
Okay. Bathroom right here. We go. Ooh. Yes, this is nice. This is bathroom number 1. Pretty spacious. We go into. Oh, this is a huge closet. Wow. Oh, never mind. Ain't that big. Nice size closet. All right. Oh, we got another closet over here. Hopefully y'all can see that. It smells like soap in here. It smells good. Okay. Pretty decent size room, I would say. This is bedroom number 1. And yes, we are on the 2nd floor. Okay. Have the back into the living room and kitchen, dining room.
These are the white cabinets.
Okay, yeah. Plenty of outlets, I tell you that. I said plenty of outlets, I tell you that. I love it. I got a lot of electronics.
Yeah, outlets are everywhere. No matter where you look, there's an outlet. They're like everywhere. They couldn't complain about outlets if they wanted to.
All right, got the wash and dryer hookup right here. And then we got the bathroom. This is the master bedroom.
That'll be the master.
Yes, indeed. Plenty of space in here. Plenty of space. And we got the walk-in closet, which is, yeah. Walk-in closet right here. And the bathroom. Nice. All right. Oh, and we got a little closet over here, a little linen closet. Nice. All right, this is 2 bed, 2 bath, upgraded. And about how much is this one?
I would have to look it up online.
Okay.
I don't know what the price is today.
And we got a patio out there. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Let's come out in the morning and just look.
And that's the storage as well.
More storage, okay.
Yep.
Yeah. And more storage. So some
This is
stuff
more
out
like
there.
Christmas trees, stuff like that. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
for the holidays.
Yep.
Yeah, this is
And here
dope.
they do all kinds of stuff in there. I've seen.
Okay.
So you turn on the lights here.
Okay. Oh my, yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. You can definitely ball in here.
Yeah.
You can definitely. Oh wow. Man, listen, get it in, peeps. Hey, this y'all apartment right here. Y'all better stop playing and jump on it. And this is the pool out here. Right smack dead in the middle. What y'all think, man? This is fire. This is y'all baby right here. Y'all welcome. I literally just threw y'all an alley hoop. This right here. This where y'all probably should get up on. I don't know how long these offers are gonna be available, but yeah. Fire. This is what you call an alley hoop. You're welcome. We got a few more that's gonna probably be like this, but not too many. Even these. That looks so freaking dope. Oh, okay. What? Fire. Oh man, and it feel good here. You can just come here and just get some work done. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. Everything. All right, people, we just now left the apartment complex and here are my thoughts. So I was hoping I was going to be able to tour an Elite, which is the apartment that we were in, as well as a Classic. Classics are cheaper. Classics, I don't think they've really been renovated like that. But I wanted to be able to see like the best of both worlds, to be able to compare. But I would say with that being the Elite, I did not ask her about the dang on price. But I'll message her and ask her what the exact price for that. Or we can just go online and just see what the exact price is for that particular model. These apartments they're going like hotcakes. And I can see why. Everything that I named earlier, and that honestly exceeds expectations. Like walking in the inside of that Elite 2-bedroom, and I want to say most of their apartments are under $1,200. They're under $1,200, and then I just recently found out that they are giving away, well, not giving away, but they're giving you a month free for rent. Now, keep in mind this video is probably going to go out after that promotion, which is going to be somewhere around like February the 13th, I believe. So I don't know if that is still available, but I mean, it was offering it. It's just going to take a little minute because I got a lot of other videos that I got to get out. So my apologies for that, but they have a lot of specials. All these apartments, you know, they have a lot of specials and stuff going on. You never know what you're going to run into, but even without that, $1,100 for a 2-bedroom, that I think that 2-bedroom looks like it's at least 1,100 square feet with high ceilings. It also came with the microwave. You know, most of these, I'm gonna say budget friendly, they don't come with that. Most of these budget friendly apartments that I've been checking out, especially they got that much square, like it's so much, man. It's just so much in one space. I believe this might be a lot of y'all go-tos. If you're looking for an apartment right now in Charlotte, North Carolina, that's gonna be one of them. I got another one that's gonna be coming out really, really soon. Y'all just stay tuned, man. It's gonna take me a little minute to edit these videos. I don't even think that this video might not even go out in February. That's how many videos that we have like backed up. You know, I'm gonna have to edit. But who's to say? I don't know. I don't even know how I'm posting these things. I'm just posting them at random, so it's a good chance that it may go out. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down below about what we just saw? Again, I think that the Elite, that apartment complex is in a class all by itself. Again, definitely top 3 for the apartments that I've been touring thus far this year in 2026. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.